Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today we are going to unbox this watch here, the Monsieur Ranomo. And this watch here was gifted to me by Monsieur, and I don't have to return this watch after the review. Thank you very much, Monsieur, for kindly gifting me this watch. So you can see here there is a thank you card, and it says here that the model name is the Ranomo, and I'm aware that it's some sort of a chronograph kind of design. And here we have a really nice leather pouch here, done in a burgundy finish. Looks really good, so I'm going to just open up and see what we've got inside, and ta-da! Alright, so this is the watch in question, the Ranomo. Let me just remove it from the wrapping paper, and here it is, the Monsieur Ranomo. I think this is the Panda version of the Quartz chronograph. Alright, so it's not a very big watch. I think it's only about 38 or 39 millimeters K size. Looks really good. Let me just get this wrapping film, protective film out of the way first. It's actually a really nice looking leather pouch here. Let's put it outside and show you. Alright, real leather, doesn't look like one of those PVC PU leather kind of thing. So wow, pretty impressive here, good job. So with the packaging now out of the way, I've just zoomed in the lens a little bit for you to see the watch close up, and wow, I think it's pretty good, pretty well made. You know, for something not very expensive. I think the price for these watches right now, they're having a sale. It is US dollars $199. Alright, so right, granted it doesn't have a bracelet, it doesn't have automatic movement, it doesn't have sapphire crystal, but I'll still think, you know, the design is pretty cool. I'm liking the brush finish as usual. Okay, so they've got a sort of a stopper here to make sure the battery is not, you know, dying off. Okay, interesting. And let me just see if I can remove that one. Okay, so that stopper is out of the way, and we can let the watch run. So I managed to push some of the buttons here, the chrono buttons here, and then I see this second hand here click out, and I'm assuming this is the correct way for the watch to run. Just check the hand alignment for now. Here is a Miyota quartz movement, so I'm not too sure. Okay, looks pretty decent. It's supposed to be moving, but you know, as it is, it's taking away, so I don't think I should complain very much. So this one here also has a date function here at 6 o'clock area, and I think the entire watch feels like it is, you know, designed towards the rally racing, vintage racing kind of feel to it. As you can see, the strap here is, you know, it's got a rally style kind of leather strap, and it's done in a really nice brown finish. Okay, again, I'm not a big fan of the, you know, light colored lining here, but you know, as with straps that come with watches, the stock straps, I think, you know, you can't complain very much. Also look like a really nice size for smaller wristed collectors. Alright, at 39 millimeters, or is it 38, so it doesn't feel overly big, and it's always nice to see a chronograph that is not oversized. Alright, I'm also liking dome crystal here. This is not sapphire, I think it's some kind of K1 mineral crystal, but you know, the dome gives it a bit of a bubble glass effect, and I think it does look pretty cool. So let me just play around with all these chrono pushes, and let's see if they really function. So this one here is already depressed, hence the second hand is running. So this one here will reset the timer, and then if I depress the top button again, the second hand will start to tick. So I need to check, need to read up on the manual and see if this is indeed the right way to operate the watch. Okay, as it is, this Panda here looks pretty cool. I'm pretty, you know, impressed at this price point. $199 discount price. I think you know, It's not too bad if you're looking for a quartz watch. So I'm going to do a full review in the next few weeks. Stay tuned. This is the Watch Kaki from Singapore. Bye bye.